Hello guys, here you can see the mode and we came about the full stack web development, and in today's full stack web development I am telling you about the image maps. If you don't know what is image maps, so in today's video your whole concept will be clear about it. So see the video start to it, and please like this video so fast and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also never for any future later videos about the full stack web development. So without thinking anything, let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Guys, let's talk about how in the HTML what are image maps. So let's talk about it. So let's get started now. With HTML image maps, you can create clickable areas on an image. Means that image maps. The HTML map tag defines an image map, and image map is an image with clickable areas. The areas are defined with one or more area tags. Try to click on the computer, phone, or the cup of coffee in the image below. Okay. Now let me show you the example of it. Okay. Now here's the HTML source code for the image map above. Okay. Here's the source code. Now let me copy it and let me come on my Visual Studio Code, and then I create a new window. And then when I create one new window, I am creating one file by the name of index.html. And then I'm making this file in my documents, and when I create this file, what we can do, here I'm going to like HTML, and then here I like body, and then I will be pasting this code. Now here you write your picture name. I'm writing my picture name is 25.webpage, and then now perfect. Now when I save it from here, let me come on my document where I save my file, and here's my index.html file. So here's my file has been opened, and here you can see this is my file. Now here what we can do is like use map, work map, like here we can do it. So now let's come on it down. How does it work? The idea behind an image map is so you able to perform different actions depending on where in the image you click. To create an image map, you need an image and some HTML code that describes the clickable areas. The image is inserted using the image tag, like I have told you in the first video of the image series. The only difference from other images is that you must add a use map attribute. Means that, like this one example, it is a simple. Only the difference from other images is that you must only add a use map attribute. Like here we adding. Now let me add it. Okay. Now here I am writing my picture name, and my picture name is 25.webpage. Now perfect. Now space webpage, and then now double commas. Now save it and then run it. So here you can see like our images come, and we use the use map attribute. Now the use map value start with the hashtag followed by the name of the image map, and is used to create a relationship between the image and the image map. Tip: you can use any images as an image map. Okay, any image as an image map. Create image map. Then add a map element. The map element is used to create an image map and is linked to the image by using the required name attribute. Like this, here again this is syntax. Now the name attribute must have the same value as the image use map attribute. The areas. Then add the clickable areas. A clickable area is defined using an area element. Which element? Area element. Shape. You must define the shape of the clickable area, and you can choose one of these values. First, rect. It defines a rectangular region. Number 2, circle. It defines a circular region. Number 3, poly. It defines a polygonal region. Number 4, default. It defines the entire region. Here I told you about the shape of clickable area. You choose one of these values. Okay. You must also define some coordinates to be able to place the clickable area. Shape equals to rect. The coordinates for shape equals to rect come in pairs, one for the x-axis and one for the y-axis. So the coordinate 34, 44 is located 34 pixels from the left margin and 44 pixels from the top. Like this, here you can see it. The coordinate 270 and 350 is located to the 270 pixels from the left margin and 350 pixels from the top in this image. And then in this image, now we have enough data to create a clickable rectangular area. So how we can do it? Let me show you. only we copy it and only we come here and then here we paste this code. Okay, now save it and run it. So now, okay, we do it like that. So now minimize it. This area that becomes clickable will send the user to the page computer.html. Okay, now let me show you. Let me click it here and then my, okay, it has been opened. Now let me copy this code and let me paste it. Here you wrote in your image name. My image is 25.webpage, and you must know that where you make your HTML file, there is your picture name. Okay, now save it and run it. So this type of your image has become, and when you click on the image, it is coming like this. Why it is coming like this type of error? Because I do not make the file by the name of computer.html. Now when you make the file about the computer.html, and then when you create the file on your here, and when you write anything here like HTML or like a body, or you write here h1 will be HTML. Now when you save it and then save it and then run it, and when you click on this link, so you will become here you can see it. Why it is coming? Because here I like HTML. If I write HTML is the best coding language, and now save it and then run it, and when we click this on this link, so here we come. Here you can see HTML is the best coding language, like that. Now minimize it, close it. Now the area, now here we can the area will become the clickable. Now shape equals to circle. To add a circle area, first locate the coordinates of the center of the circle like this. Okay, now then specify the radius of the circle like this. Okay, now you have the enough data to create a clickable circular area like this. Okay, you can see it. Now copy it and then come on it here and then paste it. Now for that you can make your new file of the copy.html and then make this file and write anything like h1, and in the h1 I am writing Rayan. Now save it and then save it and run it, and when you click on here, the Rayan has been come. Here you can see it like that. Now minimize it. This area that becomes a clickable will send a user to page coffee.html. Shape equals to poly. The shape equals to poly contains the several coordinates points which creates a shape form with straight lines, a polygon. This can be used to create any shape, like maybe a croissant shape. How we can make the croissant in the image below become a clickable link. Okay, we have to find the x and y coordinates for all edges of the croissant. How? Let me tell you. The coordinates come in pairs, for one for the axis and one for the y axis, like this. Okay, this one syntax. Okay, now the area that becomes a clickable and will send the user to the page croissant.html. Okay. Now, image, map and JavaScript. The clickable area can be also trigger a JavaScript function. Add a click event to the area element to execute the JavaScript function. So how you can do it? Let me tell you. Only click it here and then simply copy this code and close it, and then command it here and then paste it. And then give your file name, image name. My image name is 25.webpage, and when I save it in so this type of come, and you can see like that is coming. Like that, here you can see it. Now let's come on it here. Now when I come on it here, now let me minimize it. Chapter summary. Use the HTML map element to define an image. We learn about it. And number second, we use the HTML area element to define the clickable areas in the image map. We learn about it. Number three, we use the HTML use map attribute of the image element to point an image map. We learn these three things. So I hope you can enjoy this class. In today's video, we learn about the HTML for the image map. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also now for any future related videos about the full stack web development. So now I'm using next class and next very amazing class, like that type of very amazing type of videos. So for today, goodbye.